Hi boys and girls, for today's math, we are going to be learning all about weight. We're going to be learning about scales and different kinds of scales and the way that people can measure weight. And so this one right here is it's a balance scale. So if something is heavier, it's going to press down on that scale. And if something is lighter, you notice that the lighter side goes up. So if I were to put like a feather on this side and maybe a big ball on this side, you would notice that the scale would go down where it's heavier and up where it's lighter. So for example, if you've ever seen a teeter-totter and two people get on the teeter-totter, the one person who might be a little heavier is going to go down and the one person who's lighter will go up. So a teeter-totter is a type of scale as well. If you want to measure, I have this kitchen scale, and this scale will measure my ingredients for my cooking, so I know how much ingredients weigh so that I have enough ingredients. On this scale today, this scale is a really neat scale because it has these little pegs, and then I have these little weight bars. And so I can put these little weight bars on and I can see which side is heavier using this balance scale. So if I put on just one of these, you're going to notice that the balance scale goes down because now this side is heavier. However, if I put this one on this side, you're going to notice that it equals out because now they both have the same amount of weight on each side, so the balance scale is equal. Now, if I put another one on this side, you're going to notice now that this side goes down because now this side is heavier. So a balance scale is always just going to show you which side is heavier because it's going to be down, and the side that is lighter is going to be up. Now, I'm going to turn the scale around for those who are ready for a little bit more of a challenge and show you how cool this scale is. It has numbers on this scale, and the cool thing about it is it can teach you addition on this scale. So if I have a weight on 1 and 2, to figure out what 1 plus 2 is, I'm going to put it over on the number over here and see which one makes it equal. Is 2 plus 1, 1? Nope, it's not heavy enough. Is 2 plus 1, 2? Getting closer, but still not heavy enough. Is 2 plus 1, 3? Oh, look at that. It balances out. So this shows me that 2 plus 1 equals 3. Oh, isn't this scale so neat? All right, how about this? If I want to do 3 plus 2, does anyone know that answer right off the top of their head? 3 plus 2. Do you think it's 4? No, not heavy enough. Is 2 plus 3, 5? Oh, look at that. It equaled out on 5. So that shows 2 plus 3 equals 5. I love this scale. It is so neat. I wish that we could do this one in the classroom because we use, in past years, I've always used it, and it's really neat to show you your addition problems. But I hope you have fun showing different ways to measure things at your home. You can use a scale from your kitchen. You can practice using a scale from your bathroom. I know a lot of people will weigh themselves, and that would be a scale to measure your weight. And if you have a teeter-totter or a balance scale of any sort, that will show you different ways to measure. There is a way to make a balance scale with using a hanger and 2 cups and some string, and I gave you those instructions on how to make that, and in that way you can practice with measurements as well. All right, boys and girls, have a great time measuring.